morning, my dear students. Today, our lesson 1.3, Growing Bones. On your student book, it is on page number 6 to 7. To start with, let's have the pre-assessment. This pre-assessment is an individual work. What you're going to do? Use your whiteboard to write the names of bones 1 to 5. You have 3 minutes to do this activity. After completing the pre-assessment, you're going to match these X-ray images of human hands with the age and write the answers on your whiteboard. The ages are 20 years old, 3 years old, 1 year old, and 13 years old. So you have 2 minutes to do this activity. For the learning objective of this lesson, to know how skeletons grow as humans grow, support and protect the body. So at the end of this lesson, you will be able to know how skeletons grow as humans grow, support and protect the body. On the right side of your notebook, write the success criteria and meaning of keywords that you can see from the glossary of your book. For the success criteria, write 1 or 2 points on what you will learn at the end of the lesson. And write the meaning of the following keywords. The keywords are X-ray, bones, cartilage, and calcium. Use the glossary of your student book to find the definition of the following keywords. You have 3 minutes to do this activity. Now, it's time for Think, Pair, and Share. We're going to answer the question 1 to 3 on student book and discuss the answers with your partner. The questions are, what differences can you see between the hands in the photographs? Number 2, describe what you think your hand would look like on an X-ray. And for number 3, what do you think happens to the bone and joints in the hand after 20 years of age? So you're going to answer these 3 questions and discuss your answer with your partner. You have 5 minutes to do this activity. Now, read through the information in the student book, page number 7. So as we grow from babies to adults, our bodies, including our bones, get bigger. When a baby is born, it has more than 270 bones. Some of the baby's bones are made from a soft, flexible material called cartilage. As the baby grows, the cartilage grows too. Over time, the cartilage is replaced by bone. This is why calcium is very important for young children. They need it to build healthy bones. Your outer ear and nose are made of cartilage. Feel your ear and nose. Compare the cartilage in your ear with the bones in your hand. As a baby grows, some bones grow together or fuse to form the 206 bones in an adult skeleton. Between the ages of 20 and 25, your bones stop growing and your skeleton no longer increases in size as you get older. You might be wondering, our bones are alive? Yes, our bones are alive. Bones in our body are living and growing tissues. They have their own blood vessels and are made of living cells, which help them to grow and to repair themselves. Proteins, minerals, and vitamins make up the bone. These are the different structures of the bones. Remember that the bones are alive because they have their own blood vessels and made of living cells. Now, it's time to watch this video about how bones grow.
And it's said that babies have 60 more bones than adult humans. If that's true, where do they go when you grow up? What, do they just disintegrate? Adult humans have 206 bones on average. And it is true that according to how you count, babies have 60 more. The problem is that depending on how you count, you can also say babies have more than 300 bones, around 90 to 95 more bones. Or you can count another way. What is really happening is that some of the bones in babies have not fused together yet. See, babies are born with more cartilage than bone. Some of what will become adult bones are bony segments fused together with cartilage. This is what helps make babies soft and springy, which in turn helps them through the birth canal. If you count all this cartilaginous bone as true bone, you can get a total of around 300 bones. But if you do not count this as true bone, babies have fewer bones than adults, around 170. It's really all a matter of perspective. Generally, however, the cartilage is viewed as bone, so most experts say that babies have more bones than adults. As you grow, all that cartilage starts to harden or ossify, becoming bone and fusing together those bony segments into one larger bone. So you end up with fewer bones.
So this video shows how bones grow. Now, it's time for hands-on activity. This hands-on activity will be an individual work. What you're going to do? Do this activity and write your answer in your notebook. You will investigate the size of bones. You will just follow the procedures. First, use a tape measure and measure the length of your upper arm bone, thigh bone, and shin bone. Then number 2, measure the length also of the upper arm bone, thigh bone, and shin bone of your mother. Number 3, record your measurements in the table below. And answer the following questions. Whose bones are longer? And number 2, what does your investigation suggest you about the size of the bones? You have 5 to 8 minutes to do this hands-on activity. Now, let us discuss the answers of question 1 to 4 in student book page number 7. The questions are, what differences can you see between the hands in the photographs? Number 2, describe what you think your hand would look like on an X-ray. For number 3, what do you think happens to the bones and joints in the hand after 20 years of age? Number 4, your outer ear and nose are made of cartilage. Feel your ear and nose. Compare the cartilage in your ear with the bones in your hand. The answer for question number 1, the bones get denser as the person ages. There is an increase in the size of the bones and stronger joints. For number 2, your hands would look like more than the second picture than the third. And number 3, the answer, not much happens as growth stops and they do not change again until joints begin to degenerate with age. And number 4, the answer is, cartilage is softer and more flexible than bone. So you're going to write those answers in your notebook. So write student book or SB, page number 7 and question 1 to 4. For the assessment, what is being asked? Choose the answer from the list of words. Write the answer on your notebook. These are the different choices: 270 bones, joints, cartilage, calcium, and 206 bones. The questions are, number 1, it is an average number of baby's bone. Number 2, it is flexible connective tissues found in human body. Number 3, it is a mineral found in human body that is essential for healthy bones and teeth. Number 4, it is the total number of adult bones. So you're going to identify what's being asked. That's all for today. Thank you for listening and have a good day.